Subscribe. Add 1/5 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1/5 teaspoon salt. Add 4 tablespoon vinegar. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Mix it well. Now marinate it with the prepared mixture. Now refrigerate it for 5 hours. Add oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook it for 20 minutes on medium flame. Now change the side of the chicken. Cook it for 20 minutes on medium flame. Ready. Let's dish out. Subscribe. Hope you like it.